What is up, YouTube land? This is Chris Catalunya. Before we get into the video, check out the Instagram on the left. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for getting me to 4,000 subscribers. And if you like this video by the end of the video, hit me up with a thumbs up. Alright, let's get into it. We are on a roll now. This is the second week that Supreme has actually delivered my item on time. So I'm pretty excited about that. And the item that we are reviewing today is the Supreme and HELLRAISER collaboration skateboard deck. Now, if you haven't seen the movie HELLRAISER, you can go ahead and watch it on Netflix if you have a Netflix account, or borrow your cousin's or whoever's account. It's on Netflix. And I want to say that they have all three parts on there. Part 1, Part 2, Part 3. Not too sure, don't quote me on that. But I know for sure they do have Part 1 on Netflix. And I'm actually tired of watching a lot of these reviews where like kids that weren't even thought of in the 90s are like, oh, it's a very satanic movie. Just watch the damn movie. And yes, the movie is pretty dated, but if you like horror flicks, I definitely think that HELLRAISER 1 is something to watch. So looking at the deck, you'll see Pinhead, who's the main character in the HELLRAISER series. And in the background, you'll see like the Twin Towers there. And it's pretty much the skyline of New York City back then. This movie poster is from the third installment of the HELLRAISER series, and it was actually titled HELLRAISER 3 Hell on Earth. I don't know if you remember, but for this week's drop, a lot of the things were themed Hell on Earth. So it wasn't just Hell on Earth just to be called Hell on Earth. It was just, it pertained to the movie. And I know I was defending the drop for HELLRAISER fans. I know if you're a HELLRAISER fan, maybe this drop was for you. I know a lot of people called this drop lazy. I didn't call it lazy, but in receiving this board, like seeing this firsthand, I can honestly say that this drop was super freaking lazy. There was no creative thought in this whole collaboration. I really don't understand it. Honestly, looking at the board, this is just the movie poster, and looking at the box that he's holding, it's just the BOGO right there. They didn't incorporate it into the movie poster in any special or any creative way. And it's really sad.
Oh, no tears, please. It's a waste of good suffering.
I don't know what this board is going for in terms of resale. I'm definitely going to flip it. It's not something I'm interested in anymore. I thought there was going to be... I was just crossing my fingers and hoping that this was going to be a legit board, but it's just not for me. In terms of retail, I copped this from the Supreme website for $66 at $10, and that's your shipping and handling, so $76 out the door. So on this side, you have the movie poster plus the whack-ass Supreme box logo right here on the box. And then on this side, you have the wood grain painted in black with the world famous in cursive and the BOGO right here. And this is still wrapped in plastic. It has the stickers attached still, and then it has the box logo sticker inside the plastic. Yeah guys, I really don't know what to say. That's pretty much it for this drop. I'm really disappointed. I don't know, this drop was pretty disappointing, and looking at upcoming weeks, they're looking pretty depressing as well. I know for this week I actually copped something on Palace just to make up for the lack of items Supreme had. Alright guys, I think that's about it for this video. What do you think about this particular board? What do you think about Supreme in general and these upcoming releases? Let me know down in the comments below. Hit that thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Alright, that is it. We'll check you next time. Cheers.